Welcome to the age of personalized manufacturing operations, where a younger workforce expects digitalization to empower their day-to-day activities. Shifting from traditional desktops and laptops to smart devices boosts plant mobility. Simultaneously, the right data needs to be available promptly and through user-friendly interfaces. In highly manual or automated industries, like medical devices and electronics, the workforce relies on personalized user experience and guided navigation at the point of use to execute tasks efficiently and reduce takt time. Alternatively, in highly automated industries, such as the semiconductor and battery industries, real-time information is essential to understand how the manufacturing process and the business as a whole is performing. Information from disparate systems such as ERP, PLM, MES, and automation must be contextualized in a single interface with minimal interaction to drive timely actions.
With our best-in-class MES enhanced with the industry-leading low-code application development platform, we are making Mendix part of the Opcenter DNA. Mendix is the fast and easy way to build, integrate, extend, and maintain multi-user experience applications. It's a game changer. With the voice of our customers, market trends, and industry needs as inputs, we have developed a rich set of out-of-the-box, role-based, industry-specific, and process-centric user interfaces. We delivered enhanced user experience, optimized application interaction, and adaptive flexibility that comes with low code to realize value from day one.
Mendix low-code visual application development empowers manufacturers to rapidly assemble and reassemble apps tailored to their specific processes and personal needs.
With our adaptive application, we cater to diverse needs to manufacturing sites, guiding shop floor personnel through their work journey and providing engineers with essential data from different domains, all with one customized interface.
With Siemens Opcenter and Mendix, manufacturers can confidently meet new business demands efficiently while owning the personalization and empowering workforce. Join us on this journey of agility, innovation, and excellence.